Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to move the start button to the left in Windows operating system. Okay, so whenever you are using the Windows operating system, so here you can see the start button. Okay, so in the olden days, you used to see that the start button always used to be on the left hand side. But nowadays, for the Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can see the Windows operating system is at the center. But still you can change this if you want this particular start button to be the bottom left. Means what you can do is like you can just go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, so here you can see the various options. You can go to the personalization. Once you click on the personalization, so here you can see background colors, themes, and all. Scroll down. Here you can see the taskbar behaviors, comma, system pins. You can just click on this particular arrow symbol and scroll down. Here you can see the taskbar behaviors. Taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide and multiple displays. So here you can click on this downward arrow symbol. So here you can see the taskbar alignment. So here you can see it is at the center. So if you click on this particular downward arrow symbol, so here you can see whether you want it to the left or to the center. If you click on this, if you choose this particular left option, so now you can see the taskbar and the start button has moved to the bottom left. Okay, so if you again choose center, the start button again it will come to the center of your taskbar. Okay, so what I want is like I want it to be center, so that's why I have chosen the center. If you want to be at the left means you can go here and you can select the left. Okay, so this is how you can move the start button to the left in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.